All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's talk about this S&P 500 setup. Really, what's in focus here, more than anything else, is the analysis aspect. Like, I've really kind of even zoomed in on it. Like, I didn't even show the entire rally here because it's kind of irrelevant. Listen, the profit pack's designed to very specifically identify a trend, identify the first correction. That's the ideal entry. Now, any of you who have ever traded before already know and understand that the market isn't always going to do exactly what you desire it to do. That's just life. Trading doesn't work like that, ever. So, in some instances, will the pullback pull through the profit band? Yeah, it will. In other instances, like this one we're going to talk about, the rally was just too hot. There was this big, wide area here of consolidation. You can see we have slightly rising support. We have descending resistance. Ultimately, enough accumulation transpired here that there was just an absolute rip out of it that never gave us really a deep enough pullback here through the profit band. Now, does that mean that we just completely ignore the opportunity? No. It means that we have to be nimble traders. It means that we have to be able to do some very simplistic analysis, right? I mean, we have descending resistance, slightly ascending support, 3 touches here on this support rise, 3 touches here on this descending resistance. What happens here? We break out, right? We break out of the descending resistance. We close above it. We push, right? The trend's established. We correct. No, we didn't pull through the profit band, but we proved that what was once resistance has now become new support. So the retest of the very simplistically placed trend line where the trigger candle had formed, you as the trader need to go, okay, we broke resistance. Old resistance should prove to be new support. We retested it, plotted a trigger candle, and then we never look back and the market ripped $25 or 100 ticks higher here on the S&P 500. So there are some instances where common sense, as I've explained in many prior videos, prove your trades, employ some very simplistic common sense, but this stems back to the simplicity of what the SA bars provide for you. This 3, 4, 5 hours of consolidation on a 3-minute chart or 5-minute chart or 1 hour chart, or 1 minute chart rather, looks like absolute dog poop. Okay? But because the SA bars clean it up so nicely, it's very easy for us to see that we have ascending support, descending resistance. Look at what's happening. You don't trade in this. Okay? When the market's banging back and forth within itself, you're only going to lose money. So you're better to wait for the market to prove that it's broken away from all of this crap. Here's the retest into a very simply drawn trend line, guys. This is not high-level stuff. Like, if you don't understand basic support and resistance or supply and demand inside of a market, then you shouldn't be trading. Okay? This is like the most entry-level thing that you should understand as a trader, whether it's a day trader, a scalper, somebody who's a short-term swing trader, long-term swing trader, investor. You need to understand when and where buyers and sellers, or who at that point in time, is in control. Well, at this point in time, at this breakout, the buyers overtook the sellers, right? Sellers were present here, sellers were present back here. Buyers are present here, buyers are present here, buyers are present here. Buyers overtake sellers. What was once resistance should, in theory, become future support. Market pushes up, pulls back, holds at what was once resistance, which proves it now to be a retest of new support, and the market grinds higher. So if you're having trouble identifying setups like this, just pure basic analysis. Take the profit band, the band itself out, and just look at the pure price action. If you're having problems realizing when this is happening, then you need the SA bars, which is part of the profit pack. Why? Because it cleans the price action so that you are able to identify this. I tell my traders all the time the same thing. You are better off being late to the right party than early to the wrong party. If the market looks like crap, like it does here, price actions within itself, there is no reason whatsoever to be trying to trade this, because it's not trading. This is gambling. Okay? This is trading. What was once resistance, broken, buyers take control, retest, buyers confirm they're still in control by verifying this is new support, and the market grinds higher from there. So, again, if you're having trouble kind of identifying these things because price action is too hard to read, the SA bars will clarify this for you so it's easier for you to interpret it. Be patient. Okay? This is where most traders fail. They don't know how to sit on their hands. It is what it is. But if you want access to this technology, which will clarify your ability to read the market, then there's some links below this video. I encourage you to click on them. I encourage you to consume the content. I encourage you to reach out to me. We'll have a conversation. And if it's right for you, I can have you up and running within 24 hours time. So with that, guys, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you're doing well. I hope your trading is going well. If you're struggling, it's probably because you're having a hard time reading the price action. Okay, you have to understand supply and demand, support and resistance, what the price action is doing, who's in control, when, where, and why. And I truly, wholeheartedly believe the SA bars and the profit pack will help you do just that.